Hi, it's Ronnie, and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday, where I teach you about a feature of Plantee or give you a meal planning tip in 2 minutes or less. Today, I want to share with you one of my favorite features of Plantee, which is the recently added filter. So I'm going to show you how to do this on the mobile app, but we also have the recently added filter in our filter and sorting options on the website. So on the app, all you need to do is tap on the filters icon. It's going to bring up all the different filters and sorting options you could have. And you're going to do the sort by option. And instead of saying course, you are going to sort by the very bottom one, which is recently added. Hit select, hit apply. And it is going to give you a list of your recently added recipes, your most recently added at the top, least recently added at the bottom. So you can see that this ranges from a day ago to years ago. So what I love about this feature so much is I often will find a recipe online that I think looks really yummy. I will import it into my Plantee account. And then because I have over 1,000 recipes in my Plantee account, I'll sometimes forget about that recipe completely. So I'll come in here, I will sort by recently added, and then I can find those recently added recipes that I thought looked really good, and I can easily add them to my meal planner. So if you didn't already know about this feature, I hope you find this little tutorial helpful. This is kind of a sneaky feature that I think is really awesome, and hopefully you will use it and continue to plan your recently added recipes. If you have questions, you can always email us at help@plantee.com, and I will see you in the next video.